To 200 grams of self-raising flour, we're going to add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon caster sugar, mix that together, 100 grams of frozen grated butter, mix that together, coating your butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and slowly add 150 milliliters of milk. You don't have to add all of it, and we're just going to make this into a workable but moist dough. And you should have a dough that looks something like this. Roll your dough on a well-floured baking sheet, approximately 20 by 30 centimeters. Add a generous helping of raspberry or plum jam, just leaving a border 1 centimeter from the edge of our dough. And using this baking sheet, I'm going to roll this dough up. You can use it to lift and press slightly into your dough. Lift again and press into your dough. You want this to be quite a tight roll. Lift and press in. On the ends, I just pinch those together and roll them underneath our dough. Carefully transfer your jam roly-poly to a new baking sheet and then onto a foil-lined tray. We're going to wrap up our jam roly-poly. I'm just sort of folding the top of this foil together and just making sure I leave some room for that jam roly-poly to expand in the oven. After 40 minutes, I'm letting my jam roly-poly cool, covered in that foil so it can finish steaming. Now it's time to make our custard. We have 300 milliliters of double cream, to which we're going to add 700 milliliters of milk. Just give that a stir and bring this up to just below a boiling point. In a separate bowl, combine 85 grams of sugar, 4 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can also use vanilla sugar, and just beat this together. You should end up with a very smooth mix with no lumps. When your milk and cream is hot, we're going to add this gradually to our mixture and just make sure you whisk it through quickly to prevent any lumps. When this is thoroughly mixed and there's no lumps, pour this back into your pan. Cook this on a low heat, stirring frequently until it's thickened. When your custard has thickened, leave it to cool. It will continue to thicken as it cools down. If you prefer a thicker custard, you can cook it longer. And this is ready to serve, a super simple jam roly-poly with homemade custard. And that's all it is, a really simple, comforting dish. If you enjoyed the recipe, please do leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.